Hi, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change home screen page in sleep focus on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the Focus, choose the Sleep. Then in the Sleep Focus, scroll down and go to Customize Screen section, then click this one. Then after that, scroll down and go to your pages and select the pages that you want to appear on your home screen. For example, you want to appear this one, just click the small circle until there's a check mark on the lower part, and also this. Then if you're done, just click done on the upper corner of the screen. And your home screen page is now changed. And that's it. We have successfully changed home screen page and sleep focus on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!